And they're off. In the early stages, as they race up towards the stands, At Your Service moves up on the near side to pick up the running. Hermes Gold and Miller's Hill. Towards the near side is Sharp at 6. So running on now to come up and pass the stands. At Your Service, the leader, followed in second by Miller's Hill. Sharp at 6 and Hermes Gold are next. These are being followed by Animate with Brown Top, and in between them is Tropical Lake. And the back marker is Fairy Fantasy. Going into the turn now that takes them away from the stands with just over a mile left ahead of them. And At Your Service leads. In second place is Miller's Hill. Sharp at 6 is third, and they're being followed by Animate, Hermes Gold and Tropical Lake with Brown Top and Fairy Fantasy. At Your Service going along a couple of lengths in front down the far side. From in second place, Miller's Hill. Then in third comes Sharp at 6, Hermes Gold next, being followed by Animate on the outside of Tropical Lake, and they're being followed by Brown Top and Fairy Fantasy. Racing on now with a little over 3/4 of a mile ahead of them. Little change in the order with At Your Service a length in front. In second place, Miller's Hill. Hermes Gold just third, ahead of Sharp at 6, and then Animate and Tropical Lake with Brown Top. Fairy Fantasy is the back marker. They're going now into the turn that'll take them out of the back straight with At Your Service in front by less than a length. Miller's Hill second, Hermes Gold is third, Sharp at 6-4, and then comes Tropical Lake and Animate. As they run now towards the turn into the straight, At Your Service is the leader from Miller's Hill. Third is Hermes Gold, Sharp at 6, and Tropical Lake come next. As they begin now to straighten up with just over 3 to go, At Your Service in front. In second place, Miller's Hill. Hermes Gold is next. They're followed by Tropical Lake. Running on now with 2 to go, and Hermes Gold has moved up now to pick up the running with Tropical Lake staying on well on the outside. They're running on now towards the final furlong. Hermes Gold, and on the near side, Tropical Lake. And Tropical Lake just heads Hermes Gold. They've drawn clear of At Your Service. Inside the final furlong now, Tropical Lake from Hermes Gold. The pair are clear as they race inside the last 100 yards. Tropical Lake and Hermes Gold, half a length between them going to the line. Tropical Lake and Hermes Gold battling back on the inside as they go to the line. Tropical Lake and Hermes Gold. It'll probably take the judge Miller's Hill for third. At Your Service 4.
A photo finish, a photo finish. The result of the Muckross Park Hotel claiming race. First, number 11, second number 4, third number 3. Number 1 was fourth, number 7 was fifth. 11, 4, 3. Number 1 was fourth, number 7 was fifth.